Tornadoes and hurricanes are two of the most powerful forces on Earth. Knowing what to do could save your life. In today's video, we'll go over 5 crucial steps to survive a tornado or hurricane. Learn these 5 essential tips to stay safe during tornadoes and hurricanes. Step 1. Stay informed. Watch weather reports and sign up for emergency alerts. Knowing the storm's path and expected intensity gives you time to prepare. Step 2. Prepare an emergency kit. Stock it with essentials like water, non-perishable food, a flashlight, batteries, and a first aid kit. Step 3. Find a safe shelter. For tornadoes, head to the lowest part of your house or a small windowless room. For hurricanes, avoid flood-prone areas and move to the highest floor of a sturdy building. Cover yourself with a mattress or heavy blankets to protect from flying debris. Step 4. Avoid windows. Flying debris can shatter glass, causing serious injuries. Stay away from windows during the storm. Step 5. Know when to evacuate. If authorities advise evacuation, don't hesitate. Know your route in advance and leave as soon as it's safe. Tornadoes and hurricanes can be deadly, but with the right preparation and quick actions, you can protect yourself and your loved ones. Stay alert, stay prepared, and stay safe.